Let's make cakesicles. Begin by baking a basic vanilla or yellow cake. Although you can use pretty much any cake that you want, I have several recipes here on my channel. Allow the cake to cool completely. Now it needs to be broken up into crumbs. You can do this several ways. One way is to just break them up in a large bowl with your clean hands or wear gloves. Another way is to put the cake in a plastic bag and break them up in there. A mixer, food processor, or blender will also do the trick. Add approximately a half cup of frosting to the bowl of cake crumbs. Then mix them in until well combined, and you are left with a kind of Play-Doh consistency. Two methods to make the cakesicles. First, place the cake in your cakesicle mold. I found mine on Amazon. I will link to them in the description box. Compact the cake firmly in the mold. Then gently press in the popsicle sticks. Once done, place them in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Melt your chocolate in the microwave with bursts of 20 seconds, then stirring, or use the double boiler method on the stovetop burner. Use pretty much any kind of chocolate that you want. Candy Quick or almond bark or candy melts all work great. You can also use chocolate chips and chocolate bars as well. Gently remove the cakesicle from the mold and then dip it in the melted chocolate. Tilt as needed to completely cover it. Lift it up and allow the excess to drain off. Place on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat to dry. For method 2, again melt the chocolate or candy coating. Then spoon some into the mold and use the back of your spoon to paint up the sides of the mold, or use a pastry brush. You can also just tilt and rotate the mold until the sides get coated. Make sure to put the popsicle stick in place. Spoon out any excess so it doesn't get too thick. Chill in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Add more chocolate if needed to make the sides thicker. Add the cake and compact it down, leaving a bit of room at the top for chocolate. Spoon some chocolate on top and level it off with a cake spatula or butter knife. Chill in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Once they are set, remove them from the mold. Leave as is or add decorations to them, like these chocolate drizzles. These are so tasty. To give them as gifts, buy some treat bags or just use little sandwich bags and place a cakesicle in each bag and wrap with a twisty tie, or you could use some ribbon, something like that. A perfect treat to give to your friends and family. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website in thekitchenwithmatt.com. The link is in my bio.